Gauri also, which is also on the state. Gautam Bhagat. Then also Sarvesh. One of the Zamir. So very good. And Savio from the team. After three of them come. Yes.
Atau sorry.
रुपेश प्रसाद किती घेणार भाई प्रसाद किती घेणार
Accepting your support.
What's not don't go. Youth Congress आज इलेक्शन गोंयभर जाले आणि तमाम तरणाट्यांनी जे ब्लॉक लेवलाचेर निवडून आयिल्ले तांणी ब्लॉक लेवलाचेर डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवलाचेर आणि स्टेट लेवलाचेर युथाची कमिटी जी आसा पळय न्ही ती साबार विचून काडिल्ली आसा. हे इलेक्शनाच्या निमित्तान माध्यमांतल्यान म्हाका एक म्हणून दिसता की राहुल गांधी हे देशाक दिल्ली ही सामकी एक अनोखी भेट अशी आसा. काही वेळा आमी म्हणटाले की फर्स्ट टायम हे इलेक्शन ऑर्गनायझेशन इलेक्शन जाता अशें म्हणून, पूण हांव जाल्यार अशें म्हणन की हाजे पयलीं जाल्ले इलेक्शन्स पूण हे खेपेक जें हें इलेक्शन जालां युथाचें इलेक्शन जालां पळय न्ही इट इज ऑलमोस्ट ऑन पार with the election that of any state assembly election or panchayat election or even parliament election. म्हणजे कसल्याच प्रकारचं आयोजन असताना हे इलेक्शन सामके अत्यंत इन अ व्हेरी आय वूड से डायनॅमिक वे इन अ व्हेरी सिस्टमॅटायज्ड वे हे इलेक्शन जाल्लें आसा. जी भुरगीं निवडून आयिल्लीं आसात उदाहरणार्थ आमचे प्रतिमा मागीर जेवियर दोन्ही आमचे डिस्ट्रिक्टचे प्रेसिडेंट वरद आणि शिरीश आणि तांचे आयिल्ले त्यांचे सगळे वांगडी जे आसात पळय न्ही हांकां सगळ्यांक म्हजी परबी आणि काँग्रेस पार्टी कडल्यान सगळे प्रकारचे मार्गदर्शन सगळे प्रकारचो सपोर्ट सगळे प्रकारचे गायडन्स तांकां आसतलें. आनीक म्हाका इतलेंच म्हणणें आसा की वी आर गोईंग फॉर इलेक्शन्स नेक्स्ट इयर. त्यामुळे 40 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी मतदारसंघांतल्यान युथाचें व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग ऑर्गनायझेशन आमच्या सगळे तरणाट्यांक उबी करचें पडटलें. आनी फॉर दॅट मॅटर 8 तारखेर at 3:30 at सांगे आमचे सगळे फ्रंटल ऑर्गनायझेशन्स आनीक मेन PCC बॉडी हाजी थंय कमिटीची मिटींग आसतली. सांजचे 6 वरांचेर कुडचड्या मतदारसंघ आसतली. अशें करून 40 मतदारसंघ जे आसा पळय न्ही ताजे ऑर्गनायझेशन इलेक्शन्साचे नंतर म्हणजे सेवा दलाचे कमिटीज महिलाची कमिटीज युथाची न्यूली इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स हे सगळ्यांक घेवन ही कमिटीज आमी तुगेले मिटींग्स आमी घेवपाचें थारायल्लें आसा. वन गुड थिंग ह्या इलेक्शनाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान की वी गॉट थाउजंड्स ऑफ युथ्स एनरोल्ड ऑन काँग्रेस ऑर्गनायझेशन फ्रंट जे हाजे पयलीं इतले मोठे जावं नाशिल्ले
25,000
आनी इतले जे युथ्स वोटिंगा आयले एट अ बूथ लेवल एंड देन एट अ स्टेट लेवल डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल एंड ब्लॉक लेवल सगळे आयले ते काँग्रेसी वोट करपाक आयले. मागीर ते जेवेरा वोट करपा आसुये प्रतिमा वोट करपा आसुये वरदा वोट करपा आसुये पूण हाका वोट करपा आसुये देर वॉज नो अदर इंडिकेशन ऑफ एनी अदर पार्टी. एवरीबडी वॉक टू द बूथ विथ अ काँग्रेस मायंडसेट विथ अ काँग्रेस हार्ट अँड विथ अ काँग्रेस थॉट. सो हें खूब गरजेचें. आज आमी खंयच्याय वेळार 25,000 युथाक आपयले जर जायत तातूंतले कमीत कमी 20,000 युथ वूड बी प्रेजेंट ऑन एनी फोरम. सो ही एक बरी हांव अशें म्हणून की चळवळ राहुल गांधीन आमच्या पक्षा भितर आनी देशा भितर हाडिल्ली आसा. आयच्या ह्या निमित्तान हांव बाय प्रतिमाक परबी दिता. आय नो शी इज व्हेरी डायनॅमीक लेडी. शी कॅन फायट वीथ अ झील एंड वीथ अ डिटर्मिनेशन. झेवियर ऑल्सो though also sober dista, but quite commanding. Varad I know for the last so many years. He is controlling Prior Matdar constituency, but at the same time, with his dynamism, he will move left and right of entire north district. Shirish Kortalimchan जाऊन येल्ला असा एंटायर साऊथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो आसा पळय न्ही तो तुवें पिंजून काडचो पडटा पिंजून म्हणल्यार भोंवून काडचो पडटलो ओके आनीक आमचे काँग्रेस पीसी मेंबर जे सगळे आसात ऑफिस बेरर जे आसात तांचे कडल्यान सगळे प्रकारचो सपोर्ट गायडन्स आसतले हातूंत तुमी कसलोच दुबाव धरपाचो ना इलेक्शन पर्यंत डिफरन्स ओपिनियन ह्या वटेच्यान त्या वटेच्यान ग्रुपां भितर भुरग्यां भितर आशिल्लें दॅट इज ओवर ओके.
But time and again we have seen that in Maharashtra this election was like a state assembly election.
Very good.
So how would you react on this infighting which took place between
see,
the Congress youth members itself?
Even within a family there are sometimes fights. There are misunderstandings.
There have been number of incidents.
Even within a family.
CD incident.
And this is a quite big. This is a quite big. No. I don't believe in that.
There was some evidence also which was given.
I don't. If you minutely look at that, I don't believe in that.
There was also one statement which had come that at one point the chief minister, some of the topmost Congress politicians had supported the other party instead of supporting Pratima.
It's like, for example, I would just ask a plain question: whether Pratima wins, or Javier wins, or Shirish wins, or Varad wins, what difference does it make for Congress party and Congress bosses like me or Mr. Digambar Kamath, or for that matter any other leader from Congress? Because finally they are our own children.
But finally, how do you react on this? Because one-sided media reports were that most of the topmost politicians supported Xavier and Pratima was left alone at one point.
See, these little sort of hype was made by media only. एकूय विचारपाचे त्याने कितें म्हटलें वो तेगेल दिसता अशें म्हणपाचें एकूय विचारलें त्याने कितें सांगलें तो तेगेल दिसता अशें म्हणपाचें I don't think there was that sort of a big rift. No doubt. You see, there is only one vote for casting. Now that vote could be given to X only or Y only, isn't it? Now, thereby you cannot say that there is a division, there is sort of a grouping and all that sort of thing.
How would you react as a Congress president on Pratima capturing most of the things in Patarda, Margaon side where the chief minister
the capable lady of Congress party, that should not...
It's a capable of...
Whether it's in north or south, east or west, you see, she has proved her dynamism.
She will get ticket for assembly election.
Pardon? Oh, I am not a party president. This is to be decided. See, Congress has got its own culture, it has got its set traditions and a system which decides about the tickets for any candidate.
But
Candidate for any level of election, like assembly elections, parliament elections, and all that.
But you Congress president usually get ticket.
Yeah, that is a system normally. Let us see.
Would Sankalp be removed, replaced by Pratima?
Pardon?
In any of the chairpersons, Sankalp was earlier given.
No, I see. That is to be decided by Chief Minister.
Okay.
That is the prerogative of Mr. Digambar Kamath.
What about where your poll chief campaign has announced about this? About,
You see, in the largest interest of the state, I think we may have to prepone the elections, as has been rightly said by the Chief Minister also.
Yeah.
I think we may have to prepone the elections somewhere by Feb end or March.
Any
So
reason
it
for
will be
that?
dissolved before October or something?
Looks like.
Any reason for
But
that?
but the decision is to be taken by CM.
No, but any reason for pre-poll this?
There may be one or two reasons.
Is Congress getting feared? Is Congress feared so that
Even we can hold elections tomorrow. We are not scared of.
So why
We have got that sort of very strong
so
organization.
why pre-poll?
Pardon?
Any reason for pre-poll?
Maybe some lacunas here and there. That's what.
So should we say that before October it will be dissolved? Assembly?
Dissolution exact timing is to be scheduled by the cabinet and by Honorable Chief Minister.
But what would you prefer as a Congress president? Because Congress is thinking of 40 assembly.
early polls.
In February?
Somewhere by February end or March for first fortnight. Could be.
So what do you have to say about this one family asking for 4-5 seats?
Oh, you see, we live in democracy. Tomorrow you may also contest. Your wife also can contest. Then no problem. But then see, decision is with the High Command.
No, but
Is they who have to decide about.
But as a Congress
But at the same time, I
Congress-
tell you, every single party, while giving tickets, will always think of and consider first the winnability of the candidates. You see, finally, elections are for what? Elections are fought for winning.
So
Now, winning not at any cost, by maintaining the decorum and the principles of fighting election or contesting election, all that sort of thing.
so
So
suppose
I think winnability would be the first criteria. Also, many other parameters are laid down by Congress party. In that context, let the elections be announced, and then we'll come out with.
it may be even if 5 people are sure to win from a certain family,
Pardon?
even it may be even
Not necessarily. As I said, no? Winnability is one of the criteria, but there are so many other parameters which the High Command would definitely take into consideration and decide about the candidature.
As a Congress president, you might have started your process of looking in a candidate at certain aspects, points, and all.
Yes, yes.
What would be your topmost criteria?
We are assessing. Definitely, we are assessing the prospects of various candidates in various constituencies.
So there are newcomers.
Of course, bound to be. Bound to
How
be.
many out of?
Of course, now for example, we have got 20 sitting MLA. There are 20 constituencies, or at least 14 constituencies, 15 constituencies where we don't have candidate.
Does it mean that
In the sense, sitting MLA.
Newcomers will be around 14, 15.
Exactly right now I cannot spell out the number, but then definitely new faces will be there.
Does it mean that time and again the Congress party has stated that they want to go alone in assembly election as a strategic point?
That
Though
is
even
what
the High Command would
that is
decide
what we have
finally.
been saying. But then see, about this issue, the final decision is taken by High Command. Okay.
Any action on Vijay Satyasai because there are allegations.
Anti-party
that he-
activities.
Now you see, time and again you people have been asking about taking action, and see, finally we live in democracy.
So, but finally it is your own anti-party activities. Sir.
Pardon?
Democracy is there.
We live in democracy, and it is a party who has to decide about NSS.
So you are the president.
Of course, but I don't have that. I have to consult my people at Delhi at higher level.
So would you point out these issues at Delhi?
They are aware of it. You see, Delhi is, I would say, so aware of the things, day in and day out. Okay, it's not only for Goa; it's for almost every state. That's why Congress has been ruling this country for the last so many years.
But in some way, point these youth elections, do you think they have one way maligned the Congress
Pardon?
party? Some way, do you agree that these youth Congress elections have maligned the Congress party?
These small items here and there, you see, Congress has got that sort of big image and that sort of a very high profile, which has been ruling for the last so many years, and the contribution of so many top leaders of the
Does
country.
disqualifying Velanka
The small items here and there doesn't signify
Does
much.
disqualifying Velanka is a small iota?
Pardon?
Disqualifying Velanka
Then,
from the election
no, you see,
is a small iota?
there were certain reasons whereby she has been not allowed to contest elections. It is not that criminal thing. Okay.
Okay. The elections, then everything, there are huge ups and downs, and finally you succeeded to win the elections.
Yeah, as I've been telling that I'm a social and very loyal worker of Congress. I joined Youth Congress at the age of 18 with this fee of 1 rupee, and from there on I took on. It was under the leadership of Vijay Satyasai, who was the president there, that I was been inducted in Youth Congress, and I was been made as the general secretary. Later, Girish Chodankar took over, and I worked under Girish Chodankar. After completing my law, I was been given the post of legal chairperson of Goa Pradesh Youth Congress. And now, 3 years back, it was under Sankalp. When Sankalp took over as the president, I was been given the post of vice president. So I think my services, which I've given for this party, the organization, and here I am to strengthen the party. The people, the youth of Goa saw that the Pratima is something who will do it, who has been doing it without expectations, and that is the faith they reposed in me, and that is the faith and that vote which came for me. So I would like to thank each and every Youth Congress member for voting for me, and it's my promise that I will work for the party till the end with the support of our party president, a very honest man, that is Subhash Shirokar, and of course with our other members and ministers of Congress, and I'm sure that they'll support me. And mostly I would be very thankful to the our leader, that is Rahul ji, who came up with such a system where earlier there were only nominations done, but here we got an opportunity to vote for the person of our choice. And as I've said, that I am a daughter of an ex-retired headmaster. I had no one in politics, not my father or godfather or grandfather. But here I am with this Youth Congress people's votes, and I am here looking forward to work for the party, to strengthen the party without any expectations. Thank you.
Time and again it has been, how would you react on this statement saying that Vijay Sardesai is too strong for us, for getting you
See,
re-elected?
there is a handbook which says, Election Commission, we had a handbook for this Congress elections where they said that none of the MLAs or ministers can interfere or you cannot take support. Whereas Vijay has supported me morally and nowhere and nothing, the way it has been hyped. He has been there as a moral friend because it was he who had brought me in Youth Congress when I was just 18 years old. So that was the moral support which he gave me. My husband gave me, because even my husband Savir Kutina, who is the ex-chairperson of Margam municipality, even he was the vice chairperson of Youth Congress, who supported me. Even our outgoing president, that is Sankal. This is the moral support they gave me, saying that Pratima, don't worry, have faith in the youth. The way it's going on, the youth will be there to support you and get you elected. So that is what. And most of all, the Youth Congress itself, they all know, even the centre knows that Pratima is non-corrupt. So maybe that also has contributed towards my success.
You talk about Rahul Gandhi ideologies.
Yes.
Do you think that in coming assembly elections, youth should be given tickets, or like a person like you?
I'll like to make it clear that for the last 12 years I've said I'm working for the party, and nowhere I've claimed a ticket or staked my this thing.
If given.
So if given, that is up to Rahul ji. If he feels that Pratima is capable, yes, Pratima is doing it, and Pratima can be a good MLA or whatever, if it's his command, I can't ask. If he gives me, it's definitely I have to take it in a.
But as a youth, a certain quota should be left for Congress youth. What do you feel on that as a youth president now?
Yeah, see, these are all the things which we have to. This is too early to say about it.
Opinion.
Wherein there's a lot of time we have to go and sit and talk. You just can't talk about it and make statements. Right.
I think we are on the way.
One has to work alone.
You have to work for the party first.
You have to serve first and then.
You have to serve, and then you are rewarded. That is my thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Anything else?
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.